Hello, my beautiful dolls. Welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Unique and you are welcome to my channel. So today, from the title and thumbnail, we already know I'm going to be showing you guys 3 juicy gloss looks that you can achieve basically with whatever you have, okay? So first things first, you want to outline your lips, contour your lips, whatever you call it. Basically, you just want to line your lips with whatever you have. I'm using a very dark brown lip liner. I like to overline my lips. I don't know, if you don't like it, that's fine. I like to overline my lips. So after overlining my lips, I like to use this lipstick. It's from Classic Makeup, and you can use a lip gloss or a lipstick that's like almost the same or exactly the same shade. Yeah, exactly the same shade with the lip pencil you're using. So you're going to just use that over the lip liner. It's because you want it to be intense. You want your lip liner, you want the brown to be intense, so you want something to go over that to give you exactly what you want. Okay, so yeah, you guys are going to be seeing like just half of my face in this video. So okay, it's just a lip tutorial. Okay, it's nothing serious. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is basically just blend your contour, the contour of your lips. You can call it contour of your lips, whatever you want to call it. Contour your lip, contour your lip liner, blend it, just blend it. Okay, and then I'm going to use my nude lip gloss. The nude lip gloss that I used is this one from Classic. I've had this lip gloss since like forever. Okay, it always gets the job done for me. That's what I use, that's what I've been using. So you can use this one, you can use any nude gloss that you have, and just like blend it into the center of your lips and blend it upwards just like so. So guys, I used 2 glosses for this. I used the Classic gloss and the Beauty Line by DD gloss. The Classic one is just basically a matte nude shade. It doesn't have any gloss to it. And then the other one, it's in the shade Cappuccino. It's like a faded pink kind of nude. It's nude, but it's like faded pink nude. And then after blending my Classic nude gloss, you see it's basically like self-explanatory. I just go over that with the glossy one, and then I just blend it to the top of my lips because I like the look. I like how it looks when I do that. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but like I'd like to blend the glossy one up to the top of my lips, touching like my cupid's bow. Is that what it's called? I don't know if you guys understand, but that's the way I like my lips to look. So just blend it the way you want. Okay, so guys, one thing you don't want to do is use your lip gloss, especially the glossy one. The glossy lip gloss, when you apply it on your lips, it picks up the products on your lips, like whatever products you have on your lip, it picks it up. So you don't want to apply that on your lip, then put back the applicator inside the gloss, inside the pack. You don't want to do that because you're going to end up ruining the contents. So, or you put it back, put the applicator back, you want to clean off whatever product it has picked up at the back of your palm or on a piece of paper, tissue paper or whatever, before you put it back or before you pick up a new product. Okay, so if you've been doing that, girl, you need to stop. Okay, good. And now you can see how juicy that nude gloss look like. And it's cute because I like it. I like it because it's cute. It's cute because I like it. I like it because it's cute. Anyways, y'all get the gist. Anyways, moving on to the next one. This one, you can use your blush. If you have a cream blush, if you have a pink matte lipstick. I don't have a pink matte lipstick. So this blush is from TM Essentials. It's called Watch Me Blush, and it's in the shade Cruise. And I'm just basically applying that on the center of my lips, and then we are going to clean it off and just use my fingers to blend it in. And then I'm going to apply clear lip gloss over all of that, and that's basically it. This is like the simplest of all. This is so cute. Just put this on your simple everyday glam and you're good to go. So cute, so simple and stunning. Now for the next look, we are going to be using a baby pink shade. I've had this gloss on before and some of you have asked me about it. This is the gloss, you guys. This is it, okay? It looks purple sometimes, but I don't know. It's just a baby pink gloss. I think the brand is called MN Makeup or something. I've had this gloss for a very long time as well, and it's just been lying there. Like, I don't use it. I barely use it, except I want to switch things up. So I'm just going to apply that, as you see, on the center of my lips and blend it with the lip liner. So you can see it looks so beautiful. And I'm going to blend that and go over that with clear lip gloss like I'm doing, and blend it. And basically that's it. Okay. So that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.